Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the type of compressor. Compressor is broadly divided into two types, positive displacement and dynamic displacement. And a positive displacement is divided into rotary, and the rotary is subdivided into further groups: globe, screw, liquid ring, scroll, vane. And the positive displacement is other divided into reciprocating, diaphragm, double acting, single acting. And we are going to do the dynamic compressor, centrifugal and axial compressor. So lobe compressors are similar to external gear pump in operation in that fluid flow around the interior of the casting. Air is sucked into the inlet and get compressed. The air get trapped from one end, and as the lobes rotates, the air gets compressed as shown in the video. Then compressed air reaches the outlet, so we get the compressed air in the outlet by the help of two loops which are moving interchangeable, interacting each other. Loop compressors are similar to external gear pump in operation in that fluid flow around the interior